Island communities in Romblon would no longer have to wait for help from the mainland to travel during emergencies. Governor Otik Riano shared on Facebook photos of the turnover ceremony of sea ambulances or rescue boats. Joining the governor is Romblon Representative Budoy Madrona and other local officials. The boats were given to barangays Logbon, Alad, and Cobrador. Riano said they have also given the same boats to the municipalities of Corcuera, Banton, Concepcion, and Sibuyan. According to the Politico, this is in fulfillment of his promise to provide constituents with the means of transportation during emergencies. Riano adds he will be happy if these can save lives.
Thank you for watching Politico TV. Please like and subscribe to our channel for more videos.